Hi, everybody. I'm starting to get a lot of emails about confusion, and I'm not really sure I understand the confusion with the exams. So I'm going to be extremely candid with you. And there's noise in the background, so if you hear it, I tried to get it out the video. But in last year, or should I say the beginning of this year, there are there are some people who wanted to make this harder than it ever has been before. So you used to be able to just do the front facing camera with your exams and you did all your exams at home. Now you have to have a side view camera. And so that is why I have to discourage anyone from doing their exams at home because there are other people that can go into my course and check to see if you're doing your exam correctly. And if they find that you're doing and it has happened. It's getting loud again. I'm making a video, y'all. It's getting loud again. I'm not sure why it got so louder. Like, just whisper. And so, if it happens that they go on my course and try to check to see what anyone is doing incorrectly, they will ask me to give you a zero or drop you. So that is why I wanted you to, if you have that camera, that's fine. But if you, most students do not have the camera because they're not letting you know ahead of time that you need a side view camera. And so most people are thinking that they can do their exams with the front facing camera. And again, if any professors allowed you to do that in their class, they weren't supposed to. So the syllabus clearly states all of this. Now, I'm also getting questions about where the exam is and how you do it and is it on paper? No, everything really is in Alex. And all of these things that are in D2L, they're really just placeholders for some of the information. So, like for instance, I did put the Alex PowerPoints back on, but I don't deem them to be very necessary. They don't really, to me, they don't really help. As far as the technology assignments go, I have to make you do them. I don't want to, but they really want it to be group activity. I'm not doing that. Okay. So when you click on Alex and you go here, all of your work and assignments is here. So I'm not sure what the confusion is about what is what. So the first exam is here and it's due by the 22nd. If the lab or the remote proctoring gives you any trouble about scheduling it, just let me know. Okay. All of the assignments that are here also will be extended. I'm making a video. They will be extended to the 7th of January. But you may not be able to see the extension and whatnot. But in any case, I was Kelly. What's that mean? Oh, so now if you are going to take it with Gail, you're going to take it or the remote proctor. I will make it remotely. I'm making a video. That's all. It's just so if you're taking the exam with Gail, then you're going to choose this option, and she'll put the password in for you. Okay. I have to make an adjustment with the exams. I'm going to take the scheduled knowledge check off for unit 2, but for unit 1, you can just do the one that's there. That's fine. Okay. Then, as far as technology assignments go and all the stuff in here, you should be just clicking through. If a link doesn't work, though, definitely let me know. But I checked them and they work. So keep it really, really simple. Try not to overthink anything. As long as you're doing your work in Alex, you will be fine. Okay, so I hope that this helps. The course contract, for some reason, it didn't copy over correctly, so just forget about that. And then I did have one student tell me that they couldn't see the content. So, in order to see the content for week 1, because you're going to see week 3, you have to go to the checklist. So there's checklist up here, and you have to, I'm making a video. You have to click on all of the things in the checklist. Just play. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. So you just have to click on everything here. Just make sure that you do that, and then you should see. You should be. As long as you do the checklist and you click through everything in the content. If you click through everything in the content, you should be fine. So if you click through all of this stuff up here, not the PowerPoints, I'm talking about anything that is like the introduction, you'll see a check mark over here. So once that is all done, you should be able to see everything. And I know other students are seeing it because they're turning in work and I can see your progress. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching. What are you doing? No, you can't. Because I moved it on purpose. What did you just do? Did you move it?